Good morning, afternoon, and evening to all my YouTube family, friends, Facebook, from wherever you are watching from. Welcome to Belinda's Country Living. Today's video, I'm going to show you how I make oven roasted potatoes and carrots. Now, I'm doing a small batch today, so for those of you that are living alone or you're only cooking for two, this is going to be a perfect recipe for you. I'm also going to be doing this in a toaster oven. Now, I'm not sure if the temperature of the toaster oven and your regular oven will run differently. I don't know, but I'm going to try this in my little toaster oven. So let's get started. What you're going to need is I'm using small potatoes. I call these new potatoes, and I've got 8 potatoes. They're little small ones. You're going to need roughly just a handful of carrots. Now, you know, if you want to make a large batch, then you'll have to use your regular conventional oven and just double your recipe. Make it your own. I gotta move my light bulb. I changed light bulbs and there it was right there in front of me. Go figure. Okay, so you're going to need 3 tablespoons of minced garlic. You're going to need a teaspoon of oregano, a teaspoon of parsley flakes, salt, pepper. You're going to need 3 tablespoons of honey, about a 1/4 teaspoon of lemon juice, and a 1/3 cup of butter. Now I'm going to set this aside. I've already got it all pre-measured right here in these little glass cups. You're also going to need a baking pan lined with parchment paper, and you want to spray the bottom of the parchment paper or rub some oil. There you go. And this is going to help keep the potatoes and carrots from sticking. Just like that. This is how I do it here in my kitchen. Okay, let me show you. For those of you who don't know, I have shredded the carrots. Not shredded, I took the skins off. Because, you know, you get a lot of your vitamins if you leave the skin on. However, sometimes these carrots don't look the prettiest. So, take the outer skin off, and you just take it off. That's simple. Be sure you wash your potatoes and your carrots. So just like that, I'm going to go ahead and do 2 more of these carrots because we love carrots. Just like that. And these roasted potatoes and carrots are really good. Now you want to be sure, let me move this out of the way, to cut the ends off the carrots. Okay. Now let's get rid of this. Gotta cut the other end off of that one. Set that aside. Now I cut in half and then crosswise, just like, almost like carrot sticks, but a little bit wider. And the honey in these roasted carrots and potatoes are awesome. So anyway, now take your potato and cut the potato in half. Just like that. But because I'm doing a small tray of these, I'm going to cut them in half again. So you'll cut 4 pieces. And that way they'll bake a little bit quicker once I stick to my knife. I'm hoping. So this is going to be new to me. I usually do everything in my conventional oven. But today we're doing things different. These potatoes, I don't know what kind they are, but they are yellow. They could be Yukon Gold, but I wouldn't swear by that. I have already washed the potatoes and carrots that are in the bowl. And like I said, if you're living alone or just you and your husband or your significant other, this is going to be the right amount. I know I've seen where some like to cook the carrots on top of the stove first, but I have never done that. And these always turn out really awesome. Here in Indiana, it's a little chilly today. I think about 60 degrees. And in your comments, please let me know where you're watching from. I love to know where my viewers are watching from. Okay, and I've already got carrots already cut up. Now let's put the potatoes back in the bowl. Just like that. Now what we're going to do is we're going to add the garlic. I don't know about you, but I love to smell garlic. And then we got the salt, the oregano, parsley, and pepper. And just sprinkle all that on there. I'm going to put a little lemon juice, about 1/4 of a teaspoon. And we're going to mix 1/3 cup of butter. Just pour that in there. And 3 tablespoons of honey. And hopefully it comes out pretty good. Yeah. Gotta let you know, honey is wonderful for you. Sprinkle. Oh my goodness. I just love to smell garlic. I know I just said that. Here we go. Let's get all that goodness out there. Okay. Now I've got my toaster oven set for 400 degrees. Because like I said, I've not ever done these in a toaster oven. So I'm going to be safe than sorry. I've turned it to 400 degrees. Toss this really well. Now you will have, it will be juicy, but it will, the liquids will evaporate as they're cooked. So now what we're going to do is we're going to just put this on this baking dish. Get all of that out of there. Separate that around. Oh my. Now you know you could put some cheese on this if you like, but what I do after the fact, just shuffle this around in there. Ooh, yes. If y'all have been watching my videos, I'm sorry, I have a lot of potatoes and carrots. Get a lot of gifted items through the our local church food pantry and senior days. So I've got to start doing lots of cooking. Now I do share the potatoes and carrots because they give you a lot. So as you can see, my little small tray here. Now I'm going to bake this. I'm going to just guess. I'm going to bake this for about 30 minutes. And then I'm going to take them out and turn them over. And let's see how this turns out in a toaster oven. So I will be back when they are done. Okay, we are back, and the roasted potatoes and carrots are finished. I'm going to bring you up here a little closer to show you how these turned out in the toaster oven. Now, I cooked these to start out with for 30 minutes. I took them out of the toaster oven and I turned them over and I cooked them for another 20 minutes, and they look absolutely delicious. So let me bring you closer. I'll bend you down here. It is still hot, so I'm not going to touch this. But as you can see, oh, they're just, you couldn't ask, all the juices and the smell of the garlic and the butter. I'm flipping them over again. And that parchment paper not only helps it from sticking, but also it's going to help you with easy cleanup. But these, oh my goodness. I'm going to dish me up a little dish of them. And we'll give it a taste test. If I don't burn my mouth. Oh yeah. The carrots are very tender. Look at that. That's Alexa telling me that it was time. Alexa, stop. Yeah, I love Alexa. She's my all-time go-to timer. But look at that. Now I'm going to scoot this aside. Hopefully don't burn my fingers. And turn you back up here. Just a bit. There we go. And we'll see what this, if it needs anything. The carrots are very tender. You can taste the garlic, that honey. Very good. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to add some Parmesan cheese on top. Ooh, hot. Move this back over for you. I'm going to just sprinkle some Parmesan cheese. Look at that. Give it some of that goodness. The potatoes are very tender. So, yeah, you all need to make some of these. These are really good. Very quick and simple to make. Very, very tasty. And this is just enough. 2 to 3 people. If you're feeding a large family, do a larger tray. But thank goodness for a toaster oven, because it did a wonderful job of cooking these roasted potatoes and carrots. I want to thank all of you for tuning in to my video. Thank you for all my subscribers, all your lovely comments. I read each and every one of them and do my best to respond. If you're new to my channel, welcome, and please give me a thumbs up if you like my videos. So until the next time, y'all have a wonderful and blessed day, and remember to always be kind in your words.